All right, 13, 14, 15, 16, bunch of factoring ones. So on 13, the first thing you want to do to factor this is factor out the 2. That'll be 9x squared minus 1. And then both of these, the 9x squared and the 1, those are perfect squares. And they're being subtracted, so you can use difference of squares to factor it. Okay, it's going to factor into 2 binomials. 3x and 3x will give you the 9x squared. And then a 1 and a 1 will multiply to give you 1. Make 1 plus and make 1 minus. That way the middle terms will cancel out. Okay, that's your factored form there. Number 14, to factor this, let's go ahead and I'm just going to do the brute force method here. So it's either a 6x and an x or a 2x and a 3x. Let me try the 6x and x first here. So I know that these numbers are going to multiply to 60. So I got a long list here. 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12, or 6 and 10. Now, some of these are like double even numbers. So I know I don't have to try the 6 and 10 or the 2 and the 30. Okay. Let me take a look at some of these. I'm trying to figure out which ones will give me 53 in the middle. Maybe this one. A 4 here and the 15. Nope, I can't put the 15 with the 6 because I know they have a 3 in common. So that's not it. Maybe the 5 and the 12. All right, 5 and the 12. That's going to give me 72. No. Nope. I think I'm going to have to try the 2x and the 3x. Darn it. Okay. 3x and the 2x. Okay. Again, the double even numbers, you can keep those crossed out because you can't put either of those with the 2x. Okay. All right. Yeah, I think I found it. Looks like it's this 4 and this 15 here. If I do the 3x times the 15, all right, this was going to give me 45 right here. And this is going to give me 8. So 45 and the 8 will combine to give me the 53 in the middle. All right. And then the last bit is they're going to be the same signs because that's a plus, and they are both going to be negatives. So minus and a minus. That's our answer there. Cool. All right, number 15. This one's a little bit easier to solve. We can solve this one by factoring. So the factored form is going to be x times x. And then I'm just looking for the factors of 40 that will subtract to give me 3. That's 8 and 5. They're different signs because that's a minus, and then the big number has to be negative. So I'll make the 8 negative, the 5 positive. All right, so if x minus 8 is the factor, then 8 is my solution. And if x plus 5 is a factor, negative 5 is my solution. Don't forget, you can always plug those values back in for x on the original equation just to make sure that it gives you 0. Okay, so if you do 8 squared minus 3 times 8 minus 40, you'll see that that gives you 0.